Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be polishing these headlights on Ford Focus. This is 2004 model. uh, the reason why we're going to polish them is that they have failed their MOT. We're going to sand it down first, and then we're going to use the headlight polish, and we're going to use a polish gun to polish the headlights. So we're just going to start the procedure. Here we go friends, see the difference? We have done the right hand side, so just going to do the left hand side now. And so what we're going to do is we're going to wet the light, then we're going to use 25 grit wet and dry sandpaper, and then we're going to use polish to polish it off. Right, here we go friends, job done. Just going to show you the both headlights. So that's the left hand side, here comes the right hand side, all looking brand spanking new with a bit of TLC. I hope this video is going to help you polishing your headlight. Thank you very much for watching the video.